Hi YouTube, today I think I'm going to be pinksing in my wrong M2. My M2 launch edition. Let me give this a shot. If I lose, maybe I'll come back in another car. Well, if you guys are wondering what that noise is, it's my friend playing Forza. It's for Xbox only. Never mind, yo. Not only for Xbox. I will be pinksing any car that challenges me, so hopefully I don't lose my car. Also, I'll be tight. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a practice round. Hopefully, it goes for points or something. If it goes for money, then. Oh, yeah, by the way, I just lost my money. Yay! I had 14K, but you know, I kind of betted 10,000 and lost my car too. And he chickened out. Perfect. What I need. People to start chickening out. Let me just race this McLaren. I know I'm gonna lose. Alright. Well, I know I'm gonna lose this round, so I think I'm gonna go for pinks. Sorry, my game's so laggy. It's always laggy, trust me. It's hard. 4 seconds on the clock, 4 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I chickened out, dang it. Like I said, my friend playing Forza. Hopefully he challenges me again. I'm waiting for someone to just challenge me. And now if you're wondering, no, my friend is not playing with me right now. Well, I don't think so, at least let's check. My friend lost his old account, Turbo Guy Fast Guy Turbo, and his new account is JDM Garage, and he can't make videos because he hasn't found anything for iOS, and his name is JDM Garage 12345. I thought he was gonna go for it and win. I would have been like, yeah, you finally got a Mustang. But no, like always, they chicken out. I'll leave in the description. You guys can go check out Pigpen's setup for pretty sure almost every car. Almost. I'm not sure though. No, I don't think so. Hopefully, alright, practice on then. Yeah, I'm glad he didn't go for pinks. Unless I would have just lost my car. And he's gonna be lobby jumping. So this guy's apparently lobby jumping. Yep, totally lobby jumping. I already know your rating, so no thank you. My friend just turned up Xbox. Hopefully you will be coming online soon. Oh, and I may or may not have stole his car. But it's a good thing too, because he would have lost him anyway. I think I'm about to go into SoundCloud and put my music on. You guys could join my team too, if you want. Just need fast people. If you're fast, just come. My team. And I will add you. Oh, a Super Piston 2421 is legit, by the way. Don't scam. If you do, I will fuck you up. Yeah, none of my friends are online except Super Piston. And yes, I know Super Piston in real life. So I'm just waiting for some cars to challenge me, except that McLaren though. Well, I think no one's gonna be challenging me some. There's no one else. Let me just switch track. Oh, and yes, I think it's a load of cars. And hopefully this Jedi challenges me, so. Hopefully people challenge me in this map. Finally, yo. I'm a pink. I'm the pinks. And yes, my game has always been this laggy. And of course, they're gonna chicken out. No one saw that, by the way. I just want people to pink me. Hopefully this Jetta pinks me. And yes, I might be catching football. And playing racing rails at the same time. We might make a football video one day, so... Alright, hopefully this guy's gonna donate to me. If he does, shout out to him. If he doesn't, then he sucks. And this guy can't go for pranks. Oh, yes he can.
Not the pool.
Wrong guy. Dang it.
I think I'm gonna poop in my pants if I don't go to the bathroom. I just fuck your food.
Go online. Okay, Robin. Alright, got a new challenger.
I don't like no big flip flop.
Chill, bro, chill. I'm in a pink slip.
Boy, if you don't get the...
Chill, bro, I'm in a pink slip. Is he gonna donate or not? Or not? Did I just seriously foul? I just seriously fouled. What? Dang, yo.
You just my Beamer?
Suck my dick. Well, I got another one, so that's good. I think I'm just gonna upgrade this. Hopefully I added that guy or else I don't really snuff him. Fudge! Fudge! Can you stop throwing things at me? Well, that's it for me. See you guys later.
Are you recording in class? Remember what we said.